Hey there besties! So I am going to react to Nanon's new music video for his song Shiftless. And the reason why I am reacting to this is because number one, it's the first music video of Nanon that he is partnering himself with a guy. Oh my god, girl! We didn't get any BL related contents from Nanon for so long, so getting this, girl! Second, it's because it's Nanon's song. I'm a fucking Nanon stan. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, let's go. Starring Nanon Karapat-Kidpan, Tata, Slot, one of the 11 deadly sins. Okay. It's giving movie. Wait lang! Unang lyrics pa lang masakit na, be. Keep telling me to leave, Kinesa. Sino ba nagsasabi sa inyan, be? Sa inyo, heart's gone cold? Kaya ba telling me to go fire? Wait lang! Oh my god! You know, I don't want to be the person who makes everything about Nanon, but the fucking lyrics! Anyways, I will try my best not to make this about Nanon. Let's focus on the lyrics and the music video. But girl, the lyrics kasi! Okay. Okay. Ba't naman nakampasin, be? Ba't ka naman ganyan magmahal? Etong si Tata, may pagkahawig siya kay Yin Anan, ano alam someone new! Oh my god, wait lang! Oh my god! The fucking lyrics! Wait lang, oh my god. The lyrics. The lyrics. Ayoko na! Bakit ganito? I don't wanna love someone new. Oh, new people, I want to person. I don't want to love anyone else. Ayoko talaga siyang gawing about Nanon, pero girl, diba? After wala na siyang ibang BL partner. Oh my god! Ay! Lahat na lang ginawang Nanon para tala. Mo. Pero bakit niya tinali? Bakit ganyan ang pagmamahal mo, Nanon? Nangyari? Ay! Zombie! Nakagat siya! Oh my god! So magiging zombie siya. So zombie siya. Tapos nakagat na tong si Tata na love interest. Love interest ni Nanon. Pero ayaw niya pakawalan. Like ayaw niya pakawalan tong love niya. Kahit nakagat na siya ng zombie at magiging zombie na siya. Kaya tinali na lang niya. Ganun ba yun, Nanon? Grabe ka na pagmamahal yan. Ayaw mo pakawala. Ang sakit nung kanta, in fairness, Ay, ayan, pinapakawalan niya na. Cute to si Tata, ha, in fairness. Ang ganda ng aesthetic. Like, sobrang movie-like ng aesthetic. Tapos, yun nga, pa ang team niya is zombie. Like, girl, nagkakilala sila during zombie apocalypse. Girl! Ay! Diyos ko, Lord. Oh my God. Pero sakit talaga ng lyrics. Too late to find someone as good as you. Grabe naman yan. Oh, wait lang. I can't believe na nakikita ko si Nanon sa may love interest na lalaki ulit. Like, oh my God! Oh my God! At bagay sila. How cute nilang tignan. Oh my God. Wait lang. Like, I cannot believe na darating yung araw na to. Uy, oh, hey!
Oh, hey!
Wala, tegi na. Tegi na siya. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Mahalik si Nanon. Wait lang! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Wait lang. Don't tell me. Oh, don't tell me. Halik ulit na lalaki si Nanon. Oh my God! Oh my God! Wait lang! Kaya ka ba ituloy ito? Okay, game. Oh my God! Hindi natuloy. Ano ba yan? Nag-expect pa ako. Ano ba yan, oh? Nag-expect ako, oh. Ayan, may end credits. Wait lang. Ang ganda ng end credits, girl! I mean, nung scene, nung shot, nung colors, like, oh my God. I love it. Oh my God. Like, wait lang. Oh my God! Wait lang. Tama ba yung nakita ko? Like natin, like. Wait. Tama ba yung nakita ko, guys? Tama ba to? Wait. I saw the anon with another guy. Sa love interest. Oh my God! Oh my God! In fairness, may chemistry sila dito sa music video na ito. Pero ang ganda ng song. Ang ganda ng song, ayan na. Ang ganda yung song. Pero ang sakit lang talaga ng lyrics. Yeah. And again, I don't wanna make it about Nanon. But like, girl, the lyrics is just screaming. This is what happened. Like, I don't wanna lose him, pero he keeps pushing me away. Ganon. I mean, grabe naman talaga yun. Nasaktan naman talaga ang Nanon na yan. Baliw. Pero yun lang guys. Just ko, 4 minutes lang tong kanta ni Nanon. Pa 10 minutes na yung video ko. Dami kong sinabi. Anyways, yun lang. Stream nyo yung kanta ni Nanon. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media. Oo, yun lang. Bye-bye.